This is Daffodil from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. It's a very lovely lemon yellow, ice blue embroidery. This is the center panel. This is also part of the center panel, very lovely floral embroidery. These are the side panels. Very gorgeous on ice blue and off-white. This is the front and back border on organza. Just look at that beautiful, decent embroidery. This is the sleeves border. Very nice and shiny. These are the sleeves. They have very cute little motifs on them. This is the plain back, and to complement it, it comes with an organza dupatta on lemon yellow. This is the lovely border that runs on it. And for an extra oomph, it comes with this pallu, which is also lovely embroidered on organza. Lovely ice blue embroidery, and it comes with a plain trouser.